at the local Tractor Supply. They had a sign outside that said, "We got Chics." So I come running in. Wrong kind of Chics. Gosh dang it. Blue Plymouth Tint Premium Pullets. Brown Leghorns. Leghorn, them the ones who grow up. Them things are a pain in the ass. And Cinnamon Queen Pullets. Chics. Cluck and Co. Get your fryers and layers out here so you have your eggs and your own barnyard pimp. So there it is. Tractor Supply. Between, well, technically I think it's Nixon, Texas, but it's closer to Smiley. But anyway.